Welcome to Epochs Across Eras. On this channel, we uncover the milestones, legends, and innovations that defined our past. Today, we journey into one of the most enduring tales of ancient China, the Great Flood and Yu the Great. This legendary story of heroism and resilience shaped Chinese beliefs about leadership, innovation, and the triumph of order over chaos. The Great Flood was no ordinary disaster. In Chinese mythology, it represents the ultimate challenge, a deluge that swallowed entire villages, submerged farmlands, and disrupted the fragile harmony of ancient communities. For generations, the flood was seen as both a punishment from the heavens and a test of humanity's ability to endure. The floodwaters were relentless, carving through the land and isolating tribes from one another. Communities were forced to abandon their way of life, struggling to survive in the face of nature's fury. Leaders of the time made repeated attempts to control the disaster. Among them was Gun, a determined figure who believed he could tame the waters using shirang, a mythical self-expanding soil. With this material, he constructed massive dams and barriers. But Gun's methods, though ambitious, ultimately failed. The dams could not hold back the overwhelming force of the floodwaters, and his inability to control the disaster led to his exile. After Gun's failure, the challenge of taming the flood fell to his son, Yu. Unlike his father, Yu took a radically different approach, one that prioritized understanding nature rather than attempting to dominate it. Yu's approach to controlling the flood was revolutionary for its time. Instead of building barriers to block the waters, he devised a system to guide them. Yu worked tirelessly to create canals and irrigation networks, redirecting rivers and allowing the waters to flow harmlessly into the sea. His dedication to the task was unparalleled. For 13 years, he traveled across the land, working alongside his people to map the rivers and design solutions. According to legend, Yu passed by his home 3 times during his travels, but refused to stop, prioritizing the mission over personal comfort. Yu's efforts eventually succeeded. He not only tamed the floodwaters, but also established a system that enabled agriculture to flourish. His achievements allowed displaced communities to return to their homes and rebuild their lives, creating a foundation for the first Chinese civilization. Yu's leadership became a symbol of resilience and ingenuity. His ability to unite tribes and inspire collective action demonstrated the importance of collaboration in overcoming monumental challenges. Yu's achievements didn't end with flood control. His leadership marked the beginning of the Xia dynasty, considered the first dynasty in Chinese history. By uniting the tribes under a centralized government, Yu transformed a fractured land into a cohesive society. Yu's story also influenced Chinese philosophy and governance. His selflessness and dedication became ideals for future leaders, reflecting the belief that rulers should prioritize the welfare of their people above personal gain. Even today, Yu the Great is remembered as a hero who turned chaos into order. Temples, festivals, and stories celebrate his contributions, keeping his legacy alive in the hearts of the people. The story of the Great Flood and You the Great is a timeless testament to humanity's ability to overcome adversity. It reminds us that resilience, innovation, and collaboration can transform even the most daunting challenges into opportunities for growth. Yu's legacy extends beyond myth. His actions laid the foundation for one of the world's oldest civilizations, inspiring generations to strive for unity and progress. His story serves as a beacon of hope, encouraging us to face our own challenges with determination and ingenuity. Thank you for watching Epochs Across Eras. If you enjoyed this journey into You the Great's legacy, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep exploring the epochs that define us all.